People have been asking me forever, what do I do with my Sisterlocks? How do I care for them? I've been having them for 3 years now. When I first got them, I cut my hair, which was about midway down my back, and it was an afro, and when I straightened it, it was midway. And I cut it like really short. I have to post a picture so you know how short it was. And I kept it cut for a while, and then now I'm actually trying to let it grow out. So I'm gonna show you really quickly the simple products that I use on my hair and how I maintain the health of my Sisterlocks daily. So it's really simple what I use. I use this rosemary mint shampoo to wash my hair. And then I use this rosemary mint conditioner, both products from Aveda, to condition my hair, and I wash it completely out. And then I follow daily with this damage remedy, also from Aveda. And this is what I do every day. I do the daily remedy. Well, when I remember, I do the damage remedy and I hydrate my hair. So I'm just gonna show you what I do with it. I take like little sections and I keep my hair the way it lays, and I really just moisturize my hair with water. You could get a spray bottle. Most people use a spray bottle, but I travel so much and I'm not always trying to travel with a spray bottle. So all you have to do is just put your hand underneath the water, and then I come all the way out to the ends. And the ends are really what need the most attention with my hair. So I take just a little bit of product and I really rub it on my ends. But because I color my hair, which I'm actually going to try to give my hair a break from coloring, just to see how it looks. I actually like how it's growing out, and I just want to give my hair like a little break and see what happens. So I put the daily damage remedy from Aveda daily hair repair. I put that on the ends mostly, but my hands are wet and basically there's lotion still in my hand. So as I'm braiding my hair tightly in sections, I'm still distributing the mixture on my hair. Once my hands get dry, I actually re-wet my braid and continue to go down. And if I see any frizzies or any dry patches, I re-wet it. And again, my hair isn't that wet because usually, especially if I just went to sleep, which a lot of times I'm tired and I just go straight to sleep, I basically do this in the morning. And while I'm getting ready to go out for the day, I'll just wet it and twist it, and I'll have a little bit of a pattern in my hair. If I can, I'll do it at night, but sometimes at night, I just like my hair to be free. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking the tip, making sure it's well saturated, and then I'm just rolling it around my finger and rolling it up into a little ball. And then on top of that ball, I put these little bands. I got these from CVS, and I braided it tightly, and I'm gonna wrap this thing around the braid tightly so I don't have any band marks at my roots. And then I basically just take the next section, whatever naturally comes into my hand, and I do the same thing. And I just keep wetting it, running my fingers through. Again, I don't want to get it too wet because then it'll take forever to dry. And the reason that I got locks in the first place is because it take me 3 hours to dry my hair. And I love my afro and I love my hair, but I travel a lot, I swim a lot, I love the ocean, and it just wasn't conducive to my lifestyle. You never know, I might cut my hair and go back one day. I have pretty healthy hair growth cycle, so at first I was always afraid to cut my hair because growing up in the South, everyone was always like, let your hair grow long, and it was really all about long hair, and I was always afraid to cut it more than a trim. But once I got my locks, I got more bold with my moves. I wasn't afraid to color it because before I was always afraid to color it because I thought my hair was gonna fall out. But as soon as I got my Sisterlocks, it just gave me more confidence to play with my hair, to cut my hair, and I've had way more fun with my Sisterlocks, not only in my lifestyle being easier, but also in just things I'm willing to try. Like I got these Nubian knots and I've cut it multiple times and I've colored it, and it's just been a lot of fun. And so again, this one's a little bit fatter, but I still the same thing. I just really wrap the end around my finger and go all the way up. And then I take this little twisty and I secure the knot here. I mostly sleep on my back, so sometimes I leave the back out and it's just straight, and I'm able to sleep on my back without, any interruptions. Again, I'm taking my hair and just wetting the locks first, and also wetting the locks, it hydrates your hair, and everything that needs hydration. You need your hydration for your body, your hair needs hydration. Water is what keeps everything healthy. And this damage remedy just helps my ends because I've colored my hair. Some people don't use any product on their hair, but this damage remedy, I can use it on my edge to slick down my edges, and I use it throughout my hair, and I never have any residue. So I really like this product, and I've been using it probably for the last 2 years, and I absolutely love it, and it smells really nice too. So. So yeah, that's it. So 2 on the side, 1 on this side, and 2 in the back, and I am done. So it usually never takes me longer than 10 minutes to do my hair every day, and in the morning I just take them out, and sometimes I spray my locks. I'll show you the spray that I use just to make sure they're fresh and clean and yummy. Aveda Chakra Spray. This is number 1. Oh, sorry, this is number 2. Number 5 is my favorite of the chakra sprays. And I usually do this in the morning. I take it out and I just spray it. It makes my locks smell really delicious. I love doing that. And if it's usually because of my diet. If I eat out a lot, it really affects my digestion. It really affects my scalp. I will use some witch hazel in a spray bottle, and I'll spray my scalp, wash my hair, and that usually gets rid of any dandruff. If you have locks, you do not want to have dandruff. It's the most unsightly thing ever, and it does happen to me occasionally. Again, usually when I'm eating a lot of processed food, because all of those chemicals get in your body. Your skin is your biggest detox organ, even your scalp and your yoni. And every time I eat really reckless, and even though I'm vegan, plant-based, you can still eat a lot of preservatives. And when I do that, I notice my scalp gets flaky and my yoni gets like irritated and changes. And so that's your body telling you, like, hey, clean up your diet, cleanse yourself out, and stop eating so much processed food. So listen to your hair, listen to your scalp. Don't just use products, especially unnatural products, to cover it up. The witch hazel is really great because it really balances the pH of your scalp. And then you want to follow with a nice shampoo, a nice conditioner, and any type of finishing thing that you want to use. So this is how I care for my Sisterlocks. I also put a satin scarf on my edges. Anytime I don't do anything, like if I don't curl my hair, I'll at least put this scarf on the edges and go to sleep with this scarf on, because then my edges lie down. And if I'm traveling and I don't have my satin pillow, I get a satin bonnet. This is a jumbo satin bonnet. It's really huge, has a nice little elastic. So whether you have huge locks, again, I just got this at CVS, but look like Homie the Clown. But I just put this on and voila, you're good to go. Your hair is nice and protected and amazing. So this is my hair care for my locks, my daily hair care. If you have any questions, list the questions below. Again, go to sisterlocks.com and look up a certified consultant in your area if you want to get them installed, or if you just want to get a reti, which is a retighten. So I get mine retighten at least once a month or every 3 to 4 weeks, and that keeps them nice and neat at the edges. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you want any more videos, let me know what you're looking for. I want this channel to be all about holistic health and wellness, from self-care to hair care, mental, spiritual, and physical fitness, and I look forward to bringing you more to come. So this is what it looks like when I wake up in the morning. It's a little tight, but the curls get looser and looser throughout the day. And then I just spray my Aveda chakra spray on my actual locks. It smells so delicious. And I'm ready to go.